What's up, everybody? Sen here. We're doing something a little different this time. We're going back in time. We're gonna explore medieval Europe a little bit, particularly Italy, particularly south of Rome, below a small village called Sermoneta, which was ruled by this noble family, the Caetani, and it was an area pretty close to the sea, and so it had to be heavily guarded from assaults. So the family built several watchtowers, and one of them is our subject. The tower is called the Tower of Montecchio and was built in 12th century. In the early 20th century, during fascism, because all the villages and the towns, small towns, were expanding so fast, they needed construction materials. And so they started to mine and dig the mountains around the area. One of the victims of this wild and heavy mining action was the Monticchio, where the tower was built. They basically dug around the tower, leaving nothing but the tower. They destroyed the fort and the mountain itself. We can see how the fort looked like from these pictures. Today, the mining company dug everything around there and went into bankruptcy. Now everything stands there, abandoned, and it's a shame. Such an archaeological site was not respected at all. The dark charming part is that this tower stands still proud 50 meters above the ground, on this tooth of rock, and it's a silent witness on how sometimes men just don't care.